Hello, and today I'm going to be telling you how to perform pre-algebra math. Sorry if I sound a little awkward. I'm doing this for school because currently we have pre-algebra math and we're gonna have to simplify it, so I'm gonna show you how to simplify it today. So imagine like you go to Chuck E. Cheese or something, and you see this TV, and you want to find out what the size of the TV is. But you also see a chocolate bar, and then you also see a Rubik's Cube. So you have all these three things. Now imagine if the sides of the Rubik's Cube, each side, imagine it as a flat circle, and it was all gonna be the same. So for example, each side is 1. And the chocolate bar is 1 on the top and the bottom, because it's the same size on the top as the Rubik's Cube flat. So now we know that the chocolate bar and the Rubik's Cube, the top and the bottom of the chocolate bar equals the same as the 1 from the Rubik's Cube. So we can deduct that the top and bottom are both 1s on the chocolate bar. Now we need to find out what the other sides are. Now you might think that you could put all the Rubik's Cubes on top of the chocolate bar to make up the chocolate bar the same size, and to see how many and then add them all up. But it's not as simple as that, because you actually can't, because it's not enough. You can't get enough to make the chocolate bar equal the same amount as enough Rubik's Cube. It will be 5.5, so it won't be enough, so you don't get an actual number. Currently, in this point in time, there is no answer, so we're just going to call this x. So the x, currently, of the chocolate bar. So the long sides of the chocolate bar equal x. Well, the top equals 1. And the bottom does as well. Now the TV. We need to find out how to get to the TV. The TV is going to be figured out by measuring how long the chocolate bar is compared to the TV. Now, unlike the Rubik's Cube, the chocolate bar can be measured enough to make the TV. And using the long side, we can actually figure out that all the sides of the TV equals x. So now we have all this. So yeah, that's pretty much how it is. And if you ever do get to figure out another possibility, is adding them up. So this is how we're going to simplify it. So imagine we have 4x plus 3x plus 2x plus 5 equals what? So we can actually simplify that because we have however many x's, because they all apply to the x. So if you add all the x's up, then you can actually simplify the problem to be all the x's together plus the other number that I completely don't remember what I said. Go me! And that's pretty much it. We do know something, however. So the Rubik's Cube equals 1. The chocolate bar equals x. And now what does the TV equal? The TV equals 2x. Because the area of the TV is the base times height. So we don't exactly know what x is. So what do? That's it. We can't do anything yet. So I do hope that you guys have listened. I did mess up a ton, so I'm probably gonna add that at the end of this. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. Bye. I sound awkward, and I'm sorry if I'm not the best explainer. Thank you. We do have pre-algebra math. We have pre-algebra. We have pre-algebra. You might think that you can just put all the chocolate bar, not chocolate bar, bleh. Now, unlike the Rubik's Cube, the chocolate bar can be measured enough to